Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featured in the RS trim with red metallic paint and gunmetal gray alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, as well as power liftgate, backup camera, navigation, heated seats, and a heated steering wheel. Now onto the interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, Bose speaker, power liftgate, and storage. Side of the seat, we have our power seat and lumbar support controls. And off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our lighting controls, gauge cluster with screen, and steering wheel controls with heated steering wheel option and full leather wrapped steering wheel. Front seats are featured in black leather with copper stitching, padded leather center console lid, four-wheel drive controls, gear selection stock, and charging outlets, dual zone climate controls and heated seat option. Then our infotainment screen with backup camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Our rear view camera built into our rear view mirror, and OnStar controls overhead. Now back onto the exterior of the vehicle, we can see our gunmetal gray alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, Traverse badging in black, paint matched mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint. Then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Traverse and RS badging all in black, and our blacked out Chevrolet badge on dual exhaust. Power liftgate. Inside we have plenty of storage and the handles to fold down at the rear 60/40. Now moving on to the rear interior of the vehicle, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have magazine holders in leather, and back of the center console area we have our rear climate controls and charging outlets, our rear bucket seats with leather armrests, and then our rear 60/40 split. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.